Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am with my daily pages. So this week I will only be decorating 2 of them. One for Tuesday because I'm off on Monday. So one for Tuesday and then one for Thursday because I know those will be like heavy note-taking days. I won't need one for Wednesday because it's just mostly coachings. And then Friday I have space in my hourly vertical that I won't need one of these. So this week I thought, you know, let's challenge myself. I'm going to try and use a colorful leopard, but I'm gonna combine it with some florals in Flower Power. I know, florals and leopard, crazy. And then I'm going to try and do the same thing with Wild Styled. Let's get started. All right, so colorful leopard is a strange one for me just because I really struggled with this particular one. So I think I'm gonna start with this up in the corner. And also keep in mind, I'm going to use these florals because these ones I probably won't use the boxes, but the colors seem to go pretty well with Wild Styled, so I thought I'd give that a try. I feel like this is hugely out of my comfort zone because I am definitely using a combination that I never thought I would. Ooh, I don't know if that's too much for the eye. But let's give it a try. I'm gonna then find a box for down here. My today, so that will be for, actually if this is for Tuesday, how many meetings do I have on the Tuesday? Let's open up my hourly vertical here. That's last week. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I could make this work here. I think I'm going to try I'm gonna try a combination here that I'm gonna try and pull off. So let's find my whiteout. Wipe that out. Put this floral like this. That here. That's not as straight as I'd like it, but it's better than nothing. And then maybe put I think what I'll do is try and put one of the smaller ones maybe, I don't know, or you guys hear something in the background that is me playing Downton Abbey while I'm trying to plan as well. So there's one. Then let's put another box down here for my to-do list. And I'm actually really glad that there's lots of boxes in this one so that, ooh, I like these to-dos. I'm going to mix a couple of them. So let's get a green and a pink. So one for here, one for here, and then combine it with, because these are bigger, because I don't really want a translucent one. I want one with this type of paper in it. So maybe, this is harder than I thought it would be. Will this work? It's too big. So what if I instead, that one, like this one is cute floral. This is also cute here. Or what if I cut? The thing is, if I cut it, I gotta make sure that it is perpendicular. So like if I do that, I cut it like this. Okay, let's see if this will work. let's find a good corner. So I'm going to grab a Post-it note with this. So let's see. Thing is, I just have to make sure that it won't go too far over the page. So let's see if this will work. Now, where's my ruler? Ah, there. So that whatever I do cut, it is straight. And then down the other side, and I'm hoping this works. Oops. Oh, come on. Okay. Just right up in here in the corner. And now I'm realizing that the edges are going to look a bit odd. And I don't know how I feel about that. So let's lift that up. Maybe put it on this side. But again, the edges are going to be a bit weird. Ugh, that did not go the way I wanted it to at all. So maybe I'm going to save that for something else. Maybe. I don't know. Now I'm kind of like, what am I going to do? Because this is a great sticker, but I feel like I've just ruined it. Unless I place it up here. Okay, I found a way to make it work. Wipe that out. Put this right up against the line up at the top. And I'm happy with that. And I'm going to put this like this, just mainly to cover that white line that's there. And then I want to find a long quote, I guess, that will go down the bottom, and then I think I'm going to be done. Long quote. Oh, on to the next adventure, you will know. On to the next adventure. Today is super busy. I'm going to take this and I feel like, actually I'm going to put this up here where it says important. Go up here. Then today is super busy. I will put that with a floral down in the corner. Does that feel like too much? Yeah, it feels like too much for me. So maybe just, what do we have that's just tiny? Nothing crazy. Sticker really wants to go down. Nothing crazy, just that. You know what? I actually really like that combination. Way off camera. Really like the combination of these florals with the leopard. I didn't know if I would like it or not, but I actually really enjoy that. What do you guys think? And I may use this theme for the rest of the week just to really challenge myself. All right, so let's move on to plan with me number 2. The second spread is going to be done with Wild Style, and I thought I'd actually try and incorporate, let's move this over here, some more florals from the Flower Power sticker book, using up what's left of this, the Bloom with Grace. Let's move things over so that I have everything organized properly. Using some of these florals, but possibly some of the rose gold that's in here as well. So I have 2 of this sticker book because I've already used so much of it. It's me. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take this right off the bat and place that up here. Then find something from in here the Stay Wild, but I know they have these lovely rose gold that I could put there. Now I know I have a second sticker book for it, but I don't want to break into that as of yet. Here we go. I love this. It's not always easy, but it's always worth it. I'm placing that like so. Then, ooh, I like this. Let's Run Away. With this one, actually. Let's do this. So I'm going to combine this with this. So let's put this one down first. And this will be for my to-do lists. And then this will go right here. And then I'm going to find a box for here that will list all the meetings that I have on the Thursday. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I only have 6, so not a ton. This is a lot for me using these two sticker books together. So that's fine. I have 6 there, that could work. That's me praying I don't have any more meetings aside from these ones. Okay. And then I feel like I may not even need this, so let's put this down for now. But I do want to go in and use some of these. What's left of them. I'm sure I could use the blue. I think I could get away with using the blue in this as well. So let's put a couple of these down here. Then I think what I think I'm missing is like some of the like leopard, the wild style, the washi, because I've used it so often. Okay. If I sound tired, I think I am. Oh, that's pretty. I don't want to use all of it though, so I'm just going to rip off a little piece to cover up reminders. And then place maybe not that one. I mean, those are the 3 pages that I've got for that floral, but I wonder if the blue would work. I feel like the blue would work well here, and I'm trying to use up what I've got. Like this. Just put it down. Sometimes you just need to put it down. And then, where's my whiteout? Under priorities, let's move that. I'm gonna go into a bit of the date first. Then, oh, not that one. Not that one. I always have to remember which one I used. To do, note to self. Plan on it, to do, cancel, do. Where do I forgot where I got this from. So I have to put it back because I don't think I need it. I'm just going to put this here. Let's just do, or, oh, this one. Get out and chase your dreams. And I enjoy that. Down, and then I'm going to put something in this corner. It doesn't feel like there's enough leopard in this. I don't feel like I've put enough leopard in this, and it's, I think, no, I don't think I have. So I need to put down a little bit of that leopard. Let's see, there's that. Okay. You know, a part of me is like, I don't want to use it because it's so pretty. But you know what, Karina? You gotta use it. You gotta use a bit of it. And I'm gonna cut that. Okay. Use a bit. Line it up to the edge. Put this one away. Oh, where did you go? And then I'm going to, first of all, make sure that I'm still filling. And put in a little floral. And put in a long quote to go under. And then I think I will be done. It felt like this one took a lot longer than it normally would. Make today count. It's big, but I think it's just what I need. The today let's put, I don't know, part of me just kind of wants to leave it because it just works. I'm gonna leave it. And I say that putting down a floral. Okay, now I'm gonna leave it. What do you guys think of that one? It's definitely different, but I like the combination of the leopard with the floral. All right, so there are my two daily spreads, one with colorful leopard and flower power, and then the other one with wild styled and flower power. And it's amazing how different the spreads look trying to kind of do the same leopard with florals theme, but I really, really like the way that they turned out. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.